In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a guild on Discord. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application, or you can also open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now if you have also opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in discord.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Simply click on this option, open Discord, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Discord has been opened and you'll be led to your channel's interface. You will likely receive an invitation from Discord in order to create a guild, or you need to be a part of a server experiment in order to gain access to the guild's feature. If you are not a part of the server experiment, unfortunately you'll not be able to create a guild. You need to be the owner of the server that is the part of the experiment. Now let's assume your server is the part of the experiment. In that case, what you can do is simply click on that particular server. Now over here, you'll be led to the server interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see your server name. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find the option for server settings. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the server settings. Now at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, what you have to do is simply find the option for guild settings. If your server is the part of the experiment, you'll be able to find the option for guild settings over here. All you have to do is simply click on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is define your guild. You'll have to select the games. Choose the games your guild will play. Also choose the play style. Decide if the guild is competitive or casual. You can write a description of what your guild talks about and recruit for. And after you do that, your guild will be created. So that is how you create a guild on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.